going on, guys? Today we have a A2000 video. They are running a little bit warm, as you can see here. We have both of the A2000 rigs from here at TheFamilyMine. They're currently in an open air situation. I'll show you in 1 second, and I'm going to put them in a server case so we can get better temperatures, because we've got some more stuff here. So let's go check that out. Boom, 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 boom. We got our home Doge over there. Look at the home Doge. Woo! What is up, man? Yes, so we got the A2000's right here. Another rig right there. I got to put both of these into server cases. So we're going to go with one of these and one of those, because they will match up with the motherboard that we already have them setting in. We know they work. They will function just fine. But they're kind of warm. So we need to get those into the server cases, that way they can run cooler. Hopefully y'all can hear me. If not, I'll redo some of this. But with all of these extra rigs here running now, we got some more organization to do, some more rows we got to lay out today, as well as some more testing. But since we've added these, we now have more heat in here, so they are no longer happy by themselves sitting on the shelf. So let's get into that right about. We got all the A2000's in here. I'm kind of dry mocking this up, and we have a little bit of issues. We're not lining up here. None of the holes lined up. I mean, this board was not made for this case. Meant to be 220, so the power supply is different. So upon this, and we got a good about 1/4 of an inch gap between there. So probably going to have to abort this case to go back to our original idea of slamming into these. These will fit, and they'll actually be a little bit more compact and probably get better airflow with these ones anyway. But we'll have to use different motherboards.
And it'll use one less fan, so we'll save 30 watts.
And these are all Molex fans, so we'll save a little extra wattage there, not by much, but we will save a little bit compared to the 4-pin powers of these. So we're just going to have to move motherboards. Not really that big a deal. These two, or actually these three, are pretty much brand new. And I'll just have to go about it that way. So again. Alright, so we got the A2000's in a different case now. They're standing up on their side because it actually works better like this, because they are an external power to the board, which is right here. And works out well with that sitting right there. All I got to do now is hook up my Ethernet and then power, and we'll be good to go. Alright, so we are ready to go. All going. All the fans are spinning. All right. Let's get the lid on this, and then we'll go check it in Hive real fast and see how much better it is than the one sitting over there. Alright guys, dang, as you can see, that's a pretty big difference. That's a whole 10 degrees difference.
10 degrees Celsius.
Yeah, at that. Hash
in
rate.
the same warm room.
Yep, same room. They're relatively in the same spot. Fans are actually running less. These two right here are actually running a whole lot less. Now, after we let it sit here for a minute and kind of let things bake through, we'll readjust overclock settings, because we should be able to go back and start pushing like 42 mega hashes like that guy is, and that one and that one, now that we have proper airflow in the case. So while we wait for that, I'm going to do the other one and see kind of what we got going on, guys. Alright guys, so we actually have all the A2000's here now. We have the first one right there, and now I have the second one right over here actually. Got it up and running. I had a few issues with it actually, with the USB port. I think there's an issue with the bottom one. I redid it, and I reseated everything, and it came back online. It took a longer load average time than normal, but it is up and hashing now. So if you can see now, you can come over here, and you can see this is NEM02. This one right here. Now this one is running Delta fans, PWM fans. Now this one is actually running Molex style server fans, and as you can see, the temperatures are different by a few degrees, about 5 degrees or so. Overall, hash rate's still fine. Temperatures are, of course, better, but they are not pushing as much power and CFM as these fans. So I will probably end up switching out these fans to these style fans in these cases, which run the PWM fans. So these fans actually will do a lot better compared to the Molex style fans we have over there. So as you can see, we do have some of the other stuff still up and running, testing things out. Got all those running, NIMS octominers going. We have the A2000's that I just got up and running, the second rig, as well as we have some of the other rigs coming here. We have three LPs coming in there and 2 coming in there. We have a bunch of M30S++s coming in for there, and we have some E3s over there as well. So right now we just have kind of a barrel fan just pushing all the air up here. This is a 6000 CFM fan, so it works out pretty well. Proof of work is right. NIM's over there live streaming currently, so you will see this in future. So hello to your future self, listening and recording as we walk through the family mine. So guys, FA, we got it up, we got it running, and we will for sure catch y'all on the flip side, guys. We will make sure you smash the like button, subscribe button, bell notifications, see what time that we go live here. We greatly appreciate it. You're awesome. Make sure you all have a beautiful day, and of course, keep on mining. Peace out. Much love. We'll see y'all.